Hard disk units are classified as M.2, SSD, or HDD. SSD and HDD units look the same and consist of a 2.5-inch SATA hard disk and a tray. Hard disk units are hot swappable, meaning that you can replace a faulty disk without powering off the device. In this video, we use an SSD unit as an example to describe how to replace a hard disk, but the methods for replacing different disks are similar. If any of the following hard disk errors is displayed, locate and analyze the error immediately to avoid problems with log and report storage. If you confirm that the hard disk is faulty, replace it as soon as possible. Tools. ESD wrist strap. Note the following when replacing a hard disk. Use a HUAWEI hard disk that matches the device, otherwise the system will not recognize it. Do not perform a low-level format on the hard disk, otherwise it cannot be used. Wear an ESD wrist strap to protect both the device and hard disk from electrostatic damage. Hold the hard disk by its sides. Do not squeeze, shake, bump, or stack the hard disk, and do not touch the PCB. To bring an in-service hard disk offline, run the disk offline command or hold down the OFL button for 4 seconds. Strictly follow the preceding process when replacing a hard disk unit. Run the disk offline command in the system view and wait for about 30 seconds. The system displays a message when the hard disk is offline. Press the button on the right of the hard disk panel to eject the ejector lever. Use the ejector lever to pull the hard disk unit out of the slot. Ensure that the ejector lever of the new hard disk unit is ejected. Slide the new hard disk unit into the slot along the guide rails. Push the ejector lever inward to lock the new hard disk unit in the slot. Run the disk online command in the system view. After the new hard disk goes online, its running indicator is steady on or blinks. Run the display disk information command in any view to check whether file system status is mounted. That's all for this video. Check out our other videos about HUAWEI security devices. Thanks for watching.